One of the things that characterizes drug research is a very lengthy discovery time frame in which literally hundreds of analogs have to be synthesized and screened for biological activity. So anything that would impact in any phase of this cycle, compressing the time frame of discovery is a primary objective in computational chemistry research related to drug design.
Since the turn of the century, Eli Lilly and Company has been manufacturing drugs to treat the ills of humanity. The company is known for marketing the first commercial insulin for the treatment of diabetes back in the 1920s. At the worldwide headquarters in Indianapolis, Indiana, Lilly scientists are now using high-performance computers to help them in their quest for new and better drugs. Lilly's introduction to the world of supercomputers came in 1987, when the company joined the NCSA as an industrial partner. Riaz Abdullah, head of supercomputer applications and molecular design, was part of a task force formed by Lilly to find out how high-performance computers could speed the process of drug discovery and development. After careful consideration, the task force recommended that Lilly team up with the NCSA.
And our objectives were very straightforward. We needed to find out what this new technology of supercomputing was, to apply it to relevant problems within the company, and basically to position our research group and the company for the future.
So, how can high-performance computing help in drug development? James Audia, a senior organic chemist in central nervous system research, uses computer simulation as an adjunct to the experiment. He's trying to design molecules that interact selectively with receptors for serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that is implicated in a variety of diseases, including anxiety and depression. It does so by interacting with distinct receptors. Altering these interactions could provide a means to modify its effects.
We're making keys based on the shape of other keys, rather than having them based on the shape of the lock. And so, yeah, it's sort of an indirect method right now, and that's been one of the traditional methods. So what we do is we use the computer to help us predict what the accessible conformations or shapes of these molecules might be, and that might help us design compounds that are more selective and more specific in their actions for interacting with these receptors. Then, on the basis of those rationalizations, we'll try and use the computational techniques to predict the behavior of compounds that we've yet to synthesize.
By providing access to the Cray 2 with its 128 million words of memory, NCSA helped Lilly researchers carry out increasingly sophisticated calculations. At NCSA, Lilly chemists, both computational and experimental, also learned the state-of-the-art in visualization. Then, as its enthusiasm for high-performance computing rose, Lilly took a decisive step. In 1989, it became the first pharmaceutical company to purchase its own Cray 2 supercomputer system.
We probably have a lead in the United States by having the vision somewhat earlier than others. The others will undoubtedly, I think, move into supercomputing in computational sciences within the not-too-distant future, and gradually probably all major pharmaceutical companies will have Cray technology or equivalent technology available to them.
John Stevenson is the Associate Director of the Industrial Program at NCSA. He's watched the partnership with Lilly grow and mature.
Lilly is, in terms of using computational science, high-performance computing technology, the tools, the software, the type of application support that's been provided, they're definitely the leader in their industry. Other companies have shown signs of now that Lilly has moved forward, of trying to follow them and trying to mimic them. And of course, from an industrial program standpoint, that's exactly what we had hoped would happen in across the board in many industries, not just pharmaceuticals.
Today, there are over 60 drug discovery scientists at Lilly that use its Cray 2 on a daily basis. Following the model of NCSA, Lilly has set up a comprehensive network to provide workstation access to its Cray 2 throughout the complex. But despite its impressive computational resources, Lilly continues to stay on at NCSA.
We find that we are 3 years or so behind NCSA, simply because we can't be at the cutting edge. It's too new. We wouldn't be able to easily apply things that are at the cutting edge to our research today. We would like to design the safest, most effective, efficacious pharmaceutical agents to cure the severe and serious problems that face humanity. And we are encouraged that we have a new and powerful tool that will aid us in that search.